Dang, y'all. Y'all ready for this? Look at this. Look at that. Look at this. It's beautiful. We're about to have this New York strip, man. So I got me this cool little pan, and I said I'm going to start cooking in my truck because truck stop food is crazy expensive. Way too expensive. So why not eat on the road, man? It's so much better. So gourmet steak with some gourmet rice. I think that's what I'm going to have. Yeah, we're just chilling at this rest area, and I got hungry, so we're headed home, and I think this is the only meal I'm gonna have from now until I get home, and that's it. I gotta finish the food because I don't want to go bad. This is the seasoning I use, man, the steak blend seasoning, so we smothered that thing on there, and this stuff is bomb. I've been eating steak all week, and delicious. I'll put that here because we need to flip the steak over. Actually, dude, I'm out of forks. I'm gonna need to stab it with something. Alright, I guess we're gonna stab it with a knife to flip it over. That's heating up. Yeah, I've never done a cooking video, so sorry, it's not the usual vlog. Alright, I don't really want to cook inside my truck because it's gonna make such a big mess and fumes. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna wait for this to heat up first. Yeah, see, that's getting nice and hot. And you can tell the way the oil is actually moving around in the pan in here. I like to season all the sides of the steak all the way around, even the fat right here. You gotta season the fat, man. And after you sear your steak, you turn it and you sear that fat so it locks in all the juices too. Oil smoking, that means that's ready. Check this out. I promise you, this thing is gonna sizzle. You ready? Oh, you hear that? That's beautiful. Heck yeah. All right, we're gonna cover that up because it's slightly a little bit cool, but all right, cover that up, put that in there. We need some more paper towel. Definitely some more paper towel for later. Leave that here. All right, let's do it, man. Let's take this thing and cook with it. Yeah, I kind of have to walk this way. All right, let's do this. Open this window, just like that. And my truck has an automatic shut-off thing, but I keep my truck running every time I try to sear stuff because it actually takes up it takes a decent amount of power from your inverter and stuff like that. And I mean, it's not gonna kill the truck or anything like that just for searing once, you know, because you usually keep your heat going on or anything like that. But the best way to do that is, guys, just make sure you have good brakes on your trailer. So pull the brakes. You hear that? So now we're holding with the brakes, and we're gonna release the truck and brake. It's probably so unsafe, but nah, I ain't going anywhere, man. I got good brakes on my trailer. So the reason for that is because if this truck thinks that the brakes are released, it's not gonna turn off. So I don't want her to turn off. I like the stuff on medium rare to medium. Well, this thing right now, I don't care. I'm just hungry, so I'll cook it to whatever. All right, where my timer at? All right, about a minute's been there, so let's keep it for another like 3 minutes or so. And then we'll flip it. I mean, come on, like, look at that. Oh, it smells so good. Sheesh. Definitely beats the truck stop food, man. I mean, check this out. Meals nowadays at truck stops, like, will cost you like literally 15 bucks for breakfast, 15 bucks for lunch, 15 bucks for like a dinner, 20 bucks for a dinner nowadays. Like, stuff is so darn expensive. Dude, with 30 bucks, I will buy 3 big pieces of steak. So I ran out of forks, which is pathetic. Guys, don't try this at home. All right. Yeah, we gotta flip that steak. Yeah, I tried to flip my steak once, but in this case, I don't know. We'll see. I didn't really let it sit for too long. Let's see if we're getting any color on that thing. Oops. This is not gonna work. This is not gonna work. Oh, it sucks. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo! Look at that, y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh, that looks so good. That looks so good. Man, that looks beautiful. that lady walking her dog. That dog just took a dump right there, and she didn't care to pick it up, man. Come on, you know, like, this is a rest area. People will actually use the stuff here once in a while. Pick up your dog crap, man. Come on, lady. No, for real, man. Look at that. Oh, that looks so good, man. We forgot to set a timer for this stuff. But we're gonna see if we can get it by fail. Yeah, it's getting there. It's pretty good. Bro, this seasoning, I'm telling you, the one I showed you guys earlier, man, y'all gotta try this thing. It's good. Put the lid over here. All right. Heck yeah, it's beautiful. All right, we're gonna have to let that rest. Let's see. This thing is not on? Okay, it isn't on. Guys, don't throw your grease out like that. What I do is, this is why I have the paper towel. Because I'll take these things out like this, slowly. Pick up your grease. And look, very gently, you just put it in your bag. And don't throw this stuff out, okay? All right, let that sit there and cool. Oops, sorry. Let's take this right here, and I'll take my phone. I need my phone. All right, we're gonna let that rest. You gotta let your steak rest, people. Let it rest. Don't cut right into it. You cut right into it, it's the worst thing you can do for a steak. Cook your steak and wait. Always wait for your steak. Like, give it at least good 4 or 5 minutes. Like, any amount of time that you can wait for your steak to rest, that'd be good. All right, gotta get this rice going. The reason why we do this, so the stuff doesn't sit in there and rattle when you drive, because it gets so loud and so annoying. Okay, that's good. All right, rice pilaf, that's what we're gonna have. Look at that, microwave in the pouch. Dude, in the pouch. 90 seconds. All right, kind of broke up the rice in there a little bit. All right, let's do this, man. Ugh. Still gonna need some sauce or something like that. All right, put that in there. 90 seconds. Put it for 2 minutes because it's a truck microwave. Delicious. I put that there. So, this is my oil bottle. It's not a pee bottle. This is oil. I put it in here because the plastic thing, like the ones it comes in, like the top wouldn't close. Like, I don't know. And with the whole shaking in this truck, the stuff was spilling. So, I didn't want to do that. This is, oh, see? Look at that. See? The stuff just came out. Seriously, man? Look at that. My inverter's going crazy. The thing just started spinning. Because this thing is taking up power, you know? That's why I keep the truck running, y'all. Because that inverter is spinning like that. You know that thing is struggling. This stuff takes up a lot of... Oh, that's hot, man. Stuff actually takes power. Look at that. Alright, boys. Just going to pour this rice right here. Heck yeah, like that. Overcooked rice. Sure. And I don't have a freaking fork. So what I did, I had a yogurt this morning and I washed my spoon, so we're gonna eat we're gonna eat the rice with a spoon, and we'll figure out how to eat the steak. I mean, I'll hold it and we'll slice it. And this knife cuts. Boys, I think we cooked the steak to, let's see, a good medium well. Yeah, it's a medium well. I'll take it. Pan-seared steak, medium well. Probably have to do this. Take it with my fingers. Now let's try this. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, man. Bro. Dude. Y'all can't... y'all can't beat this. This is amazing. rice, steak. You can't go wrong, man. You cannot go wrong with this. This is amazing. This? Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? Dude, talk about camping out on my truck. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna get down to eating this. I'm gonna do some addition and that's it. Alright, peace out.